Hello guys, this is JK here back with another video and you're watching now Case1 Media, and in this video we are going to talk about how to remove a GIF's background. Like when you are doing a PPT or it's just a Google Slides presentation, you want it to be clean. Like whenever you want to use some kind of GIFs in your Google Slides presentation, it will be having some background, like some weird solid colors, and if you make them transparent like this, then it would be more suitable with the white background, so that your text and other subtitles and other descriptions of that same thing which you are going to talk will pop out. So in order to make a GIF transparent, you have to follow these steps, and I will be covering this video up in within 4 minutes, so that the video's time limit won't be so long. So just I'm going to cover it. For the research purpose, I'm taking this DNA GIF. You can just type in DNA GIF in the online, and I'm going with this thing. And remember one thing, the trick which I am going to teach you now is going to cover only the GIFs which are having transparent background. If your GIF is having some gradient background or 2 to 3 color mix up in the background, then it will not be easy. You have to use a software called After Effects to rotoscope it. And now we are going to see this simple trick. Just download this GIF and have it saved in your PC. Just right click and save images. I have already saved this file, and you have to go to this onlineimageeditor.com. This is the URL you have to follow, and I am giving this link in the description box below. Just go ahead, and this website appears like this, and you have to choose an image. And while choosing an image, I am going to choose the one which I have downloaded. So the downloaded one is here in the bottom, so it says DNA. I have renamed it to DNA, and I'm just going to upload this file. Wait for a few seconds. It depends on your internet connection, the actual conversion. So how does it work? Like after going into it, it is having some 3 tabs: basics, advanced, animation. Just go ahead and click on advanced. It is having something called transparency. This is what you have to click on. So after clicking on transparency, it is having several things in the left hand side, like save, undo, redo and delete. These are the 4 commands, and below that some descriptions are written, such as select transparent area, first factor, fill type, and handling. So you are going to handle the background of the image, so you have to select back in this handling column. And fill type, just you have to replace selected color. That is what we are going to give. And just go ahead, and you have to don't click on any other thing. Just this draw transparent line, these options and all won't work for you. Just go ahead and click the black color one here, just like that, a single tap. It depends on your internet connection, the conversion. See, it's just a magic, it happened like that. And the background, the single solid colored background is removed. And the first factor is the thing is when you do some images, or when you cut some images, the subjects, it will be having some anti-aliased thing, the edges will be pixelated. So these edges are pixelated somewhat, and we can correct it by using the correct first factor. So you can play around with these first factors, you can keep the first factor to 0, 3%, 5%, and whenever you see a solid change in the thing, then you can use that kind of GIF. So now I am going ahead and downloading this GIF by giving save button here, and it is asking me save local. Just save image, it will download us some OIE file. Just I am going to see in my folder, and it's I'm going to rename it as DNA GIF, and that's it. And after doing so, just go ahead to your untitled presentation. I have just opened the Google Slides, and just in order to show you how I am doing this, I have this raw file of the DNA GIF which we are actually removing the background from. And now I am having this transparent thing, you can see it, right? Just I am placing this over here and I am adjusting it. See, it is in the background of the GIF, so it will be nice and clean. If you are doing some presentation in science or some other things, you can use this website to make a GIF transparent so that you can use it. So whenever you enlarge it, it will be showing its fuzz a little bit, so just reduce its size and keep it in the place wherever it is necessary. While presenting, it will be helpful for you. So for the sake, I am now changing the topic to like DNA and chromosome. Sorry, I have to change this guy, the C guy. I do. Okay, just delete this thing. Okay, yes. So now I have created something like for your presentation. Like if you are going to explain something about, you can search the actual GIF. Like whenever you search in the Google for some transparent GIF, it won't give you the transparent GIF. It will give with some background like this, and you don't have to worry about. Just click on the thing which you want and just remove the transparency with this following image editor. Hope this video is helpful, and it is short and sweet. And for more videos like this, for tricks and tips videos, just click on the subscribe button below. And this is Keshavan Media signing off. Hope I will see you in the next video. Hope you are doing fine in this quarantine period. One life, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.